to Excel Solutions Basic and Advanced. Today's topic is array. Array, it's a difficult topic but a very useful tool, and I'll make this topic very easy for you by giving an example first. It is very easy. Okay, so let us give an example. I have these 13 numbers written here in the sales column. If I ask you, give me the sum of two largest number out of these 13 numbers, what you will do? The first choice is, as because it is number range is very low, you can find out that this is one of my top number, and second one is, I think 51 is the second top number, this and this, and you can sum this up, 50 and 51. So the result is 101. But if I give you 10,000 numbers and I ask you sum me up the top 100 numbers, then what you will do? Then I think you might go for a function that is large, but here there is a difficulty also. It is asking for array. What is array? Array is a set of items, either be it a number or characters or something else. So you put here the array, and it is asking for a position, that is kth position. So what you will do? You will either put 1 or put 2 or so on. But this is also not handy process. So what we do, we use array. What array does? Array makes your life simple by allowing you to provide multiple numbers, and it will calculate within the supplied numbers. So let us give a live example to understand it. I hope this example will clear the concept of array. My previous example, I will take the previous example. Okay, I need to find out the two largest numbers sum. So I write here 1 and 2. I write here the function large, and I put the array, and it is asking for the position k. So I will put here the position. I need the first and second position, but how to put it? Before that, I want to show you how a array is written in Excel. It is nothing. You write an equal to, select the array range, and simultaneously press Ctrl, Shift and enter. That's it. You have created a array. Look here. Array is always covered by curly braces. So it is an array. Now what I will do, I will use large function within this. So I will write here large. It is asking for the array. So I will give the array. So first write equal to, I need the top two numbers, so I select here 1 and 2, I written here already, and make it an array. Now I will again write here large, press tab. It is asking for the array, select the array, put a comma, and now close the bracket. No, it is not done. Why? Because this formula is a normal Excel formula. It is not converted to array. So I need to use it as array. So select these two and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Please remember Ctrl Shift and Enter then it will transfer to array and it will give us the result. But I have forgotten to written here the sum function. I need sum and I need to enclose it. Now put an enter. There also it is 51, because this is the second character of the array. Is whenever you modify a formula, you have to press shift control and enter again. Now look at here, this is my desired data 101. This is array. This is the simplified Excel array. Okay, now let us go a deeper. I will use a function that is called random between. It will generate me some random numbers so that I can use this. So I will use random number. Bottom number would be 1 and top number would be 50. So it will generate random 50 numbers. At random it will generate 50 numbers. Now it is not, it is 65, count is 65 numbers already generated, but I want to sum up two numbers and these two numbers would be the largest out of these 65 numbers. So what I will do, so I will do 1 and 2. I will write 1 and 2 in another column and write here equal to, as I show you, I am repeating the same step. Select these, press Ctrl Shift Enter, array is done. Now I need to sum up, so I will write here sum function, and within sum function I have to find out the top largest numbers, so I will write large. Okay, large is asking for the array. Now I will show you large the array. Now I will put a comma and I will close the large function. Don't forget to press again the Ctrl Shift Enter to create the array. Now see it, there is 97. So let us test it. Let's test it. Equal to large of this number comma first number, it is 50. Okay, and the second number large, and out of this number I need the second largest number, this. So add this. This is 95 and I am getting here 95. So basically this is the basic use of array. I hope you understand this. In my next video I will explain further and I will use some complicated functions and I will describe the array in more detail. If you interested, please visit my next video. I'm going to publish it, and if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe to get the updated version.